Welcome to your llama painting tutorial. Use blue and white to create a beautiful sky background for your llama. You can use white to add additional texture and clouds in your sky. Mix yellow and blue to create green to make a grassy field for your llama. You could also use brown and black and white to make a dirt road for your llama. Add tall grass around your llama using upward strokes with the green. Next, you will create your llama's fur using brown, a little yellow, white, and black. You can use multiple colors of brown to add dimension to your llama's fur. Mix some pink with red and white to add the ears to your llama. Black accents on the feet create the hooves. You can use bright primary colors to add a festive blanket to the back of your llama. Add black mouth, nose, and eye, and glue on yarn pom-poms and sequins to create fun embellishments on your llama. Paint colorful confetti flowers with the back of a paintbrush.